Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, so today I have with me a body wash, and this is from the brand Roop Mantra, and this is the Roop Mantra Neem body wash. Now, this is by far one of the bestest things that could have ever happened to me. I like experimenting a lot with body washes. I love using body washes, and I basically, I categorize them into fragrances, textures, and the after wash effects. And this one actually is one of the best things. I never compliment a product without a reason. If something is good, I'll say good. If something is bad, I'll say bad. And this one is the best thing. Yes. And I'll give you some details about this product. This, as I said, Roop Mantra Neem body wash, and this says natural moisturizing makes skin soft and supple, which is absolutely true. And this is 100% paraben free, net weight 225 ml, and this retails for 172 rupees. And the expiry date is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. The ingredient list is mentioned over here. I'll just read it out. This has neem, tulsi, pudina, and shahad, and yeah, and how you have to use it, we all know how you have to use a body wash. They are saying take a small quantity in your palm and mix it with little water, massage gently over face and skin, and rinse thoroughly with water. Though I would always suggest you to use a body wash with loofah, because that's how you can basically scrub your body as well with a loofah. Yeah, this is a flip top, and the consistency is like this. It's a the fragrance is amazing. Like, I have no words for the fragrance. And this gives a lot of lather. Like, there is a lot of lather, and I'll show you how much lather this
So
gives.
this is the body wash, and I'm in a bathroom. It's quite obvious. So I'll pour a little on my loofah. Yeah. Basically, I just want to show you that how much lather this gives. Yeah. Smells divine. Yeah. So as you can see, that this gives good lather, and you actually feel quite clean and refreshed. Yes. I'm just scrubbing. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, the lather, it it's really good. You can see the amount of lather. Yeah. Wow, so mature.
Once you are bathing with this, the most dominant fragrance you get in your nose is of tulsi, and the tulsi fragrance is very refreshing. Like, you feel refreshed after you have a whiff of tulsi. So the first fragrance that hits your nose is tulsi. So I mean, fragrance wise, 100 on 10, I guess. So, and this gives a lot of lather, and your skin actually feels very soft and supple. You don't have to use a moisturizer, because my skin is very dry, and after using this I don't have to use a moisturizer. In winters, I don't know, but currently in this atmosphere, I used to apply a moisturizer, but after using this, I don't have to. And I don't have words enough to express how good this product is. I'm really happy to have this. Once this finishes, I'll buy one more, because I really love this. My hands have body wash. My hands are sticky. Okay, so as you saw, this gives nice lather. Your skin actually feels very refreshed and clean, and also your skin doesn't get dry. So, and the weather right now, the weather is not very good for our skin. We get infections and everything during the monsoon, the sticky weather. And also, this says controls skin infections, helpful to purify the skin dryness and roughness, removes excess oil and dirt while retain skin moisture. Yeah, this is absolutely true. And even if you have prickly heat on your back, you can definitely give this a try, because this will definitely soothe it out. And also, while bathing with it, it feels your skin really feels a little cool, because maybe because this has pudina. Yeah, that's why. Because this has pudina, your skin feels a little cool, and like the cool effect. So all in all, it's like jitni तारीफ करूँ कम है. It's like that. So this is a good buy, the Roop Mantra Neem body wash. I'll force you to buy this. Yeah, I'll force you, because I really want you to try this. Yes, once, so you have to try this. And I'll put the link down below if you buy this. And this is absolutely non-sponsored. You can buy this. I won't be getting anything out of it. Buy this. You can buy it. You can check on the link down below, or you can go directly to the site if you want, Amazon. I think it's not sponsored at all. So that was it. I will see you guys next time with another product which will be beneficial for you. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Do subscribe to my channel, do leave a like, and say something nice. Yeah, don't be rude. Yeah, and okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.